Hi beautiful, welcome back. So I've got my tips on and my nails are prepped and ready to go for you this time. The tips are by Nail It Like Lucy. I'll leave the information in the description box for you. Madam Glam sent me their latest collection. I think they launched it on the 1st. It's an all white collection. I thought it was so cool. I don't think I've ever seen that done before, but they're all different shades of white. And I'm going to go in and use this color. You can use my code, it's Jammy30, and use the link in the description box if you are interested. I'm going in with JC Beauty Concepts Dehydrator and Primer. You guys know I have a coupon code with them as well. All the information is going to be in the description box for you guys if you guys are interested, of course. Okay, so I always go in with dehydrator first. If you don't have dehydrator, you can use isopropyl alcohol. But I don't know, I like using dehydrator because I feel like it's better at balancing the pH so that you can apply your acrylic. So yeah, and then I did 2 coats of the blonder, okay? This color, this nude, is definitely my favorite by JC Beauty Concepts. It has, well, not everyone likes glitter in their nudes, but this one I like because it's noticeable, but it's not. Okay, they're so tiny and microscopic, and it makes it look so delicate. I don't know, it's just my favorite. So I ended up doing my right hand in just this color. And yeah, so I did all 10 fingers the same color, but my right hand is literally just the color and some gel top coat. I do only show you my left hand because I wanted to show you the nail art, and I wanted to get in the Christmas spirit. So yeah, you guys are also watching me use a size 18 brush for the first time. And as you can see, just testing it out. I'm really trying to adapt to it. By the time I get to my ring finger, it's yeah, I was getting used to it. One thing I did notice, and you guys will be able to tell, is that because it's a bigger brush and it has more monomer, you tend to like swipe more of the product off and a lot of it gets on the paper towel. So I do kind of see how there can be a lot of product loss, but other than that, I don't know. I'm just trying to challenge myself. I got a size 18 and then a size 20 from Amazon. I do have Amazon storefront, so I always have that linked in the description box as well if you guys are interested in seeing products that I purchase there. But yeah, it was, how can I explain it? I feel like I can adapt. I will definitely get used to it. But yeah, you can definitely adapt to pretty much anything. What I do like is that you can pick up a lot of product at once. And as you can see here, I was like doing really good, and then towards the bottom, I don't know, you just have to get that right balance as far as liquid to powder ratio, so it's not too runny or anything. So, but yeah, that's part of our nail journey. We're just learning, and we try to challenge ourselves and to get better and stuff like that. Right now I'm going in with this Pana straight edge file. I like to go in and file nice and straight, parallel to your side walls and your nail tip so that you maintain that nice square shape. And then I go in with JC Beauty Concepts 5-in-1 tornado bit. And I just go in and I eliminate any like bulk or too much bulk in this set. And then I go in and actually perfect everything with a file. So what I like to do recently, I've been showing you guys, is I go in with the 180 side. This is a McCart file, by the way. You see that dark spot right there, or those dark spots? That's where you can tell that the nail isn't level or smooth. You see? So I like to go up and down the barrel of the nail until it is all white, and then that's how you'll know that everything is nice and flush and smooth. So yeah, basically the file is able to touch the entire surface of the nail, and it removes all the lumps and bumps, because a lot of you guys have asked me, oh, after my application it's very bumpy. That's okay. Just keep practicing, don't give up. In the meantime, the end result's still going to be bomb, right? If you file that away and you have enough acrylic on there, then your shaping is going to be on point. That'll also save you. So you can see how I feel it. I make sure everything's nice and smooth and level. And then I go around the cuticle with the 180 grit side, and I seal the acrylic and make sure everything, the acrylic is flush to my natural nail. And then I do that on all 10 fingers. As you can see, you have a nice smooth surface. And there's the result. Then I go in with a buffer, and I lightly buff everything. You don't want to buff the corners too much, just because you want to keep that nice crisp shape. So just buff lightly, and then we're going to go into nail art. I'm going to brush the dust away with my manicure brush, and then we're going in with our color. It does have a pink undertone, and it is a sheer white. So if you go in with, 2-3 coats, then obviously it'll be a little more opaque. So I show you my liner brush. I got questions on this last time when I did the Burberry nail design. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going in with a matte top coat, and I'm going to cure. Once I'm done curing, I'm going in with Madame Glam gel polish, and I'm going to use the gel polish for my nail art. And once I do the lines, I'm going to cure them in the lamp, and then I'm going to go over the lines with regular or shiny top coat, and then I'm going to apply the glitter sugar effect over the top coat. The reason why I did it that way is because, one, the glitter is kind of sheer, so I wanted it to have kind of like the white background, and also I know it'll last longer that way versus just pouring it over the gel polish. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, I'm struggling here. I'm starting to get allergies and my nose is all runny, and yeah. So I'm trying to fake the funk here and pretend like my nose isn't going nuts right now, but it is. So I'm trying. So now, once I've applied the top coat over the gel polish, before I cure, I'm going to apply the sugar glitter. And I'm going to tap the excess off, and then I will cure. I'm going to brush the excess away, and then there you go. Gives it a nice, pretty effect. So I'm using these Christmas stickers from Amazon. I showed them in my nail haul that I did recently. They're very pretty. I actually really enjoyed using those. So now I'm going in with one coat. It's a nice, perfect, sheer white. I wanted to keep kind of like the nude look coming out from underneath, so I thought that was perfect. And I just go in and apply one coat on my ring finger, pinky, and on my thumb. And then now I go in with top coat, and I top coat just the rest, because the the index finger has the matte top coat. So I'm just going to top coat the rest of the nails. And basically the same thing. See how I'm top coating the pinky? I'm doing the same thing I did on the index finger on my pinky. The only difference is that I used the gel polish and then I top coated with the regular or the shiny top coat. And then I'm going in and doing those steps with the lines and then cure and then top coat and then the sugar effect. And then that is it. And then I do the same thing on my thumb. So I will let you go. I hope you did enjoy this video and I hope you liked the end result. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I hope to see you in the next video.